Hey guys, I got my Jordan 7 here. It's all filthy. So we're gonna use this pink Miracle shoe cleaner. Okay, the link is on the description down below. It came with the brush. So how to apply this? So the direction is truly wet, scrub brush. Then apply small amount of pink Miracle to the brush, scrub the shoes, and then wipe it with a clean cloth. So let's get to work. I got my water right here, so I'm gonna wet the brush. Wet it down. Alright, so what I'm gonna do next is I'm gonna apply a small amount of pink Miracle onto the brush. Kind of shake him a little bit, and I think they are still sealed. Let me take off the paper in it so it's out, and let's go back to work. Apply small amount of pink Miracle shoe cleaner into the wet brush. Okay, let's go. Open it. Oop. That's a lot, but we'll try it out. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna scrub it. You see it created the bubbles. Scrub it real good. Okay, scrub it real good, baby. Okay, hold it down, scrub it down. Oh, I'm not doing circular motion. I'm just going up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down. And now you're gonna wipe it down with the clean cloth. So wipe it down truly, and look at this. Man, it looks like fresh is new. Okay, so you can get this pink Miracle shoe cleaner on Amazon. So the link is on the description down below if you want one of these. Look at that, man. You get your drip, your swag back on. No more filthy shoes. Man, it's so clean, hella clean.